In this video, I wanted to give you a little tour around Jonny Blockchain. So when you log into your Jonny Blockchain, it normally brings you to the dashboard. So let's have a look what we got on the dashboard. So on here, it will show your wallet status. This is your Jonny Blockchain wallet. It's not your MetaMask or your Binance wallet. This is the wallet that you hold on Jonny Blockchain that you can find under this tab up here that says My Wallet. So as you can see, my wallet balance is 10 Tether. Binance API keys disabled. I'd need to purchase that if I want to connect my Binance account to it. I've got my Binance Smart Chain DEX fee balance, BNB, which is what is used in the smart contract to pay for blockchain transaction fees. And then I've got my base DEX fee. I've got that 0. Now the DEX bot, I don't have to pay any extra because I've already paid the $25 for a year to give me access to DEX trading, and that covers both blockchains, the Binance Smart Chain and the base blockchain. And so this week at the bottom so far, my bot's not made any profit. Had it made a profit, there'd be a number inside there to show me what my software service fee. You pay 25% of every profitable trade. If your robot doesn't make a profit, then obviously you don't pay any software service fee. Over this side shows if I've got any robots running. As you can see, I've got one Bitcoin robot running, and at the moment it's not made any profit. Next screen is my actual robot. I've got one robot set up trading Bitcoin. It's only trading with $20, and it's got one open lot. So that means that it's used $20 from inside my MetaMask wallet and bought Bitcoin, and it's put the Bitcoin back into my MetaMask wallet. As you can see, there's the Bitcoin there. So coming back up, we've got grid bots. You can set up a grid bot. Limit orders, you can set up a limit order trading bot. Earnings calculator. This is just a calculator to show what your bots have earned and how much you could withdraw. At the moment, mine's completely empty. You've also got this button here, which is a percentage calculator, so you can run some figures if you want to. It's just a calculator to help you. My wallet, which we've already seen, and my profile that you would have set up when you set your Jonny Blockchain trading account up for the first time. Up the top, we've got getting started. We've got a video there. We've got Telegram. If you click that, it's going to take you over to YouTube to tell you how to get access to our Telegram group. You've got our YouTube channel there. Highly recommend that you click on that and subscribe. And then you've got the step-by-step user guide. You can also get access to the user guide from the top here. So coming over to the user guide, we've got a ton of videos. It's worth going through these videos so that you get a great understanding of how Jonny Blockchain works and how to set things up. Of course, if you've got questions, you can come into the Telegram group. But there's all the videos you need to set up Jonny Blockchain. There's videos explaining to you how Jonny Blockchain's trading robot works, the algorithms, all that type of stuff. There's videos there to show you if you want to adjust the default settings and set up your own settings. You've got every possible video that you would need. And then right down the bottom, you've even got some bank accounts that are crypto friendly that you can set up if you want to. And you've got some useful links at the bottom. You've got the Jonny Blockchain smart contract audit. You've got the Jonny Blockchain blog. Swap tokens. If you want to swap tokens and you've not done that, you can use this button here that will connect your MetaMask wallet to swap tokens up. So if you've got BNB and you want some Tether, you can use that tool there. If you don't know how to do it inside your MetaMask wallet, you've got this button takes you over to CryptoBubble, which is what I love. This is a great little tool here to show you what's happening with all the cryptos. And I think it covers up to 1,000 tokens. So you can have a look what's pumping and so on. This one over here is DexScreener. That will take you over to DexScreener where you can search tokens and look at their performance, and you've got a chart and how much liquidity and all that type of stuff you can see from there. TradingView, if you're a fan of TradingView, you can use TradingView if you click that link there. And then we've got this compound interest tool at the bottom. And so if you want to, you can use that tool to give you an idea of how much you could earn if you were compounding your trading robots. And again, at the bottom, we've got the YouTube channel and we've got the join the Telegram group, which is, like I say, it's going to take you over to a video on YouTube and it's going to show you how to get access to our Telegram group. Now, coming back up to the top, if you've got your name in the top right-hand corner, if you click on that, you've got my team. Now, if you're a person that invites other people, you'll see your team here. I've not got anybody on this at the moment, but you'll also see that you've got your referral link, which you could give out to people that you know or advertise so that you can get people to join your team. If you come back to here again, you've got the referral program. It tells you exactly how much you'll earn from referring people. You get a commission over 4 levels. When they first pay their $25, you'll get that over 4 levels. So if you've invited people or they've invited people, it's down 4 levels. You'll also get a profit of every profitable trade that your downline do. So it's definitely worth coming and having a look at that. And there's also a video there. You click that big button, it will take you to a video. Coming back to this drop down, you've got my profile and you've got support tickets. If you've got any questions and you want to get access to the Telegram group, click on that there and you can send in a support ticket, and then obviously you've got the logout. Coming back to the dashboard, the last tab we've got is the trends screen. So let's have a look at the trends. So we've got the trending robots on Jonny Blockchain at the moment. So we've got Binance, PancakeSwap, Pancake Grid bots, base bots, base grid bots, and my trends. My trends is obviously what your robots are doing. So I'm on the Binance tab here. So let's just understand from left to right. It says, so the first one is ROI for 24 hours, ROI for 7 days. Then we've got the ROI for 30 days. And then we've got the ROI for the past 12 months in total. So if you look at this first one, it says it's got 448 0.3 ROI in the last 24 hours. But let's get our calculator out, because what we got to understand, that is collective for all of the robots that are trading that token. And as you could see here, there's 212 robots trading it. So if I divide that by 212, that says that that robot on average is giving each user 2.11%. And if we take another one, the next one down, which is Bitcoin, so we've got 139.03. And if we divide that by 209, so that's the robots that are set up with it, that's giving an average of 0.6%. Now, that's just to give you a guideline. Past results don't mean that it's going to be the same in the future. But it's to give you an idea of what's trending on Jonny Blockchain at the moment. There's a lot of factors in play here. We don't know what time they set the robot up. We don't know how much they're trading with. But this is just to give you an idea. So hopefully this video's given you an insight to Jonny Blockchain so that you can find your way around. Now, happy trading.
Want to create your own trading robot? Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.